what's going to be adduction, medial rotation of the shoulder, and flexion of the shoulder, right? That's going to be up in here. Then if I come down in here, you guys see this muscle right here? See that right there? That's my pectoralis minor. That's going to pull my scapula, actually pull my scapula back and down. Actually pulls my scapula forward, I'm sorry, and down. That's my pectoralis minor right there, okay? So there's the minor and there's the major. Now, if I go like this, I'm going to come right in here. I tore it again. All right, so if I look right here, do you guys, come on. Do you guys see if I get under here? Now this is really hard, so if you guys don't find it, that's fine. But if I go right here, this should be, oh, it's not gonna be it. This is actually gonna be my internal oblique. It's gonna be coming down like this, right? If I come back in here, if I come back in here, I'm going to try to get this muscle right here. And this is going to be, and we're not on the back muscles yet, so if you don't see this one, that's fine. This is going to be my latissimus muscle right here. You guys ever hear of lats? Yeah. I'm gonna let that go for right now. So this is going to be my internal oblique. This is going to be my rectus abdominis right here. That goes down like this, okay? See that clear part right there? Yeah. That's the rectus abdominis. I'm going to give you a list of what these actually do, okay? So I got my pectoralis major, which is going to be moving my shoulder. I'll give you a list of it. I don't think humans have this muscle right here, okay? But it's still the pectoralis tenuis, right? Pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, okay? This is going to be my internal oblique, the rectus abdominis. When you're done with that, what you're going to do is, I tore that side, so I'm going to come over here. Hold on. Maybe I will use this side. Okay, so I tore that, but that's okay. This is the inside of the arm I'm doing right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is again, it's just all this fascia here, right? So what we want to do is just move this junk out of the way, right? We're going to go like this. This is actually part of the latissimus muscle right there too. We're going to go like this, and then there's going to be a really thin muscle. I kind of tore it already. See that thin muscle right there?
Yes.
Now, when you guys get back to your routes, that should come all the way across. Okay, and I think I just kind of screwed it up. That muscle right there. That's going to be called the epitrochlearis muscle. Okay? Cool. All right, so that's the epitrochlearis muscle right there, right? Which I'm not too concerned about. All right, but that's on the inside of your arm. What I'm going to do, where's your scissors? What I'm going to do then is we're going to cut this. By the way, don't cut this thing here, that's what I do. All right? And now if I go under here, what's going to happen is I am going to see this muscle that's right. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'll show you this minute. I'm going to see this muscle that's right. And whisper and soft. Right. See that muscle right there? That's the medial head of your tricep. Your tricep made up of three muscles, or three heads. That's the medial head of the tricep. So if you guys ever work out, you can see this on the inside of your arm. I'd show you mine, but my shirt's too tight on my arms because of my guns. This is the long head of the triceps, right there. See that? That big bad boy, see that? Looks good, huh? So that's the long head of triceps right there. Okay? Yeah, it does look like chicken. All right, and then you're gonna take this off if you can. Just tear it off.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do this squeeze.
I mean, okay.
All right, and then, see, and then if I look, you guys know what this is? That's also the long head of my triceps, right? It's right there. But if I go on the inside, if I go on the inside, it's right in here. So it's on both of those, right? Right in there. That's the long-headed triceps again. Long-headed triceps. This right here is going to be the lateral head of the triceps. Come on. That's the lateral head of the tricep. All right. So I got the lateral head of my tricep, the long head of my tricep. The medial head of my tricep is right there. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. Then if I clear this away, this is my bicep. Right? You guys want to see one? Okay. See that? So there's my bicep, my medial head of my tricep, and my long head of my tricep, and my lateral head of my tricep. All right? Are we good in the hood?
Yeah.
Now, if I continue on, what I'm going to see is, you see this bad boy right here? Right there? That's going to be my acromiodeltoid. It's right there. On humans, we call it the anterior deltoid, but it's acromiodeltoid. Okay? And then this here is going to be my cleidodeltoid. This bad boy right here. See that? See that? All right. So I got the cleidomastoid. Oh, crap, it's not cleidomastoid. I got my cleidodeltoid. I got my acromiodeltoid. I have my biceps right there. I have my medial head of my triceps, my long head of my tricep, which is also here, and my lateral head of my tricep. Now, what you guys are going to do is you're going to get this distinguished so I can actually see these better. See that? See that? See that? And you're going to do it on here, and actually it's like this. Okay? And then we're going to go like this. Boom. Okay? See that? Pretty cool, eh? All right? And then what we're going to do is you're going to do that on this side here. All right? Are we good?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Nope.
All right. That answer your question? Can you send me that?